I'm Chasing the Adoni, and today what we're going to be doing is how to create a Spring Boot application. And yeah, that's a Hello World Spring Boot application. Later on in the tutorial, we'll actually create an app. And even more later on, we'll actually deploy it on Google Cloud. So I'm really excited to get started in this. And let's dive straight into it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is actually search it up in Google and create this project. So first I'm going to search up start.spring and start.spring.io, okay? And we're already here, so here I can just select white mode and dark mode, which I kind of like. And the first thing that I want to enable in this is, so we'll just keep Maven project, which is what we should normally have. And yeah, we can also switch to Gradle project, but in this case it's Maven, and the language is Java, and it can also be chosen by Kotlin and Groovy, but for this video we'll be doing Java, and we can choose which version of Spring Boot we have, and so this is the solid current version that we've got. So I'm just gonna go with it, and let's just enable a group. So I'm just gonna call it Lightning Learn. And I'm going to call the demo Lightning Learn also. And so the description, I'm just going to keep it as demo. So the package name is column.lightninglearn.lightninglearn. Okay, and it's going to be a jar file. And the version of Java is 11. So now let's go to one of the other important parts of this. So let's go to adding dependencies. So the first dependency that we want to add in this case is web. So Spring Web right here. And I also want to add Spring Boot DevTools. And we'll also need the actuator. Okay, and we'll also be using Helios, I don't really know how to pronounce it, and another one called Jersey. So now that we have all of our things right here in the red button, we can cut something out. So if I accidentally added this called repositories, I can just click this button and remove it from the thing. So now we have generate, explore, and share. So if we create generate, it will immediately download the zip file, and that's pretty much actually the start of the app. And later on in the app, so later on in it, we'll actually create part of the app and deploy it on the cloud eventually. So now what I'm gonna do is go to Spring, and let's actually download Spring. So Spring download. I'm just gonna search that up, and let's go to Tools Spring. So now we have tools for Eclipse, and so this can be for any OS on a computer, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. I'm pretty sure that there's one for 32-bit too, but we'll look into that a little bit later. So first, I'm just gonna download for Windows 64-bit, and that's pretty much all I need to do at the moment in order to download Spring Tools. And we can also do it for Visual Studio Code and for Thea. So that's interesting. And well, I guess that pretty much wraps things up that of this quick tutorial on how to create our first Hello World application. In this case, I'm not gonna run the application just yet because I'll actually do that later. And right here, I'm actually using OBS to create this video, and I'm not using Zoom this time, so this is so I'm just testing OBS and seeing if that would work, and it looks like it's going out pretty smoothly. So I mean, that's pretty much all I need to do. All I'm going to show in this video. In the next video, I'm also going to download Eclipse and run our first actual app in it. So then, yeah, I already told many times. Then I'll deploy it on the Google Cloud app. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and bye!